you amongst us, to the parents of Sakshi, President Perayatri, Secretary Perayatri. Honestly, Sakshi, what we are doing is not even a drop of what you are doing for the country, for the nation. We are greatly thankful for that. And as a corporate, as an organization, we feel very humbled that we got this opportunity to be part of this tribe. And I strongly believe, Sakshi ji, you, the way like Para Athlete as an organization, you are coming up, we see a big opportunities. And it is not only limited to one particular sector, one particular area, but how do we encourage every child in whatever capacity they have, how do they excel? And that is the opportunity which we are seeing over there. And Sakshi is becoming Iron Lady, a role model for all of them. That everyone is special, everyone is having something unique, some abilities in which they can bring that difference. When we look at our last few years of efforts, we had been taking some, I would say, baby steps, means not to our satisfaction, but we had been taking some steps. Like in our ITIs, we started a program for girls. We want them to come forward. We want them to take those education and be there on the shop floor along with all the male colleagues. We had been able to obtain permission for 3 shift working for female employees. We had been also working on football. We had been keeping our team also there in the football, and for last 8 years we had been sponsoring the Women's Football League. We had been able to successfully complete our program of providing scholarship to the kids around our working premises, our plants, our mines. And in last year we did some 170 scholarships. We want to expand that particular part, and we want dedicated to again villages and peripheries around our operations, that we do some program where not only on the education side we do much more, not only limited to sports, we do the way we had been doing on the football academy and some areas where we can partner, but also on creating many more Lakpati Didis. So that is something which one program we aggressively want to get into, and we need support of each one of you. Means in next 3 years, that is around 1,000 days, we want 1,000 Lakpati ladies to come from the nearby villages of our operations. And whatever support will be needed, we are more than keen, more than excited to provide that. And we want Sakshi Kale and many more Sakshi Kales to come up and hold out and move together with us to, of course we cannot run as fast as you run, but run in a much faster pace. So thank you very much for being over here, and looking forward to best of luck. We are confident that you will do very well and bring much more laurels to the Goa and to the entire country. Thank you.
I'll now request Mr. Vishwan Videsh Legavi to say a few words.
नमस्कार. मैं सबसे पहले वेदांता को जो एक अप्रोच आपने दिखाया साक्षी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, उसके लिए धन्यवाद.